to my channel. So today I filmed this tutorial on this beautiful hair. I am wearing hair from Isee hair, and I went ahead and did some overly dramatic all around baby hairs, and I just love it. I just love how it looks. Like, I just love everything about it. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I got this look, keep on watching. Alright you guys, so this is the wig. I'm wearing a 13 by 4 curly wig. I'll have all the descriptions of this exact pattern listed in my description box below, but this is hair from Isee hair. So I'm just trying it on, fixing it and adjusting it to my hairline, and I'm going to go ahead and begin to install it. Before I begin installing it, I'm just going to go ahead and cut off all that extra lace, and that right there is just to keep my eyebrows intact. Your makeup will get messed up if the lace is just flying around your brows. Alright you guys, so I'm going to go ahead, I've just now tried the wig on. I'm going to go ahead now and just cut around my ears. So I just go up like this and I part out the hair. And then just take my scissors, or an easier way to do it without cutting your hairs. I'm gonna show y'all. I just need to find my razor. So basically you would just go like this and then go up and then work your way down. And then you cut off that earpiece. So it'll be like this. I'm going to go ahead and do the opposite side. So this is how it looks now, and I'm just going to go ahead and cut off that extra lace and then begin installing. Alright you guys, so don't mind my big ass forehead. Like, my forehead is huge. So I'm not wearing a bald cap because I just I'm in the stage of getting my edges back together, and I just feel like the bald cap snatches them out. I usually wear a cap and slide it back, but the way these laces have been like really thin, I really just have to no cap it, which is honestly fine. Like, it does make a difference, but honestly not really a big difference to where you have to get a bald cap. So I'm just going ahead and doing the perimeter of my hairline. That's what I'm saying. I just want y'all to know, like, I know y'all don't ever really see my forehead like that, but I really don't think that I ain't got no edges from wearing laces all these years, because my edges are kind of jacked up. They are. Alright, I'm gonna admit they are jacked up, but I always put my wigs beyond forward my hairline anyway, so my forehead is genuinely this big. Whenever I grow my hair out, like, you can see, I know when my hairline is grown out because I have a widow's peak. I used to hate it when I was younger, but it's there. I just really gotta tank like a huge forehead. And I'm always gonna put my wigs way below. Like, what's the point if you can't? Like, I see girls are starting to get like the forehead transplant. No ma'am. That's what wigs are for. That's what wigs is for. It's really what wigs are for. I remember back in the day, people used to be like, oh my god, your eyebrows are about to touch with your baby hairs. Just how I like it. Just how I like it, baby. Don't you see girls with the natural hairlines and how their eyebrows be about to touch? Like, their eyebrows be damn near connected. I've done girls' hair whose eyebrows are like damn near connected. Like, I love it. I think that hairline, that super hairy hairline, is beautiful. Okay? And you get to make your wig however you want. You can make your forehead start back here. I'm not gonna lie, you look so much better when you pull that lace down. I'm sorry. Like, you can't have it sitting right here, but sitting right there, you make your forehead argue with me about it. Don't argue with me about it. Alright, so now I'm going to go ahead and begin to apply the wig. And I'm just going to pull it forward. And make sure there's no hairs laying on that glue, ladies. Make sure it's clean and empty. Pull that forward. I did not have to snatch it like that. I was doing too much. Make sure that lace meets that glue. Like, put it right on top. And then I'm gonna push this side back and just hold them both so they can both dry and not slide or lift. I'm just gonna hold it with my finger. Oh, oh, hold on, y'all. I'm going in with my wax stick. I just let it melt down, so I'm gonna go ahead and do my wax stick. I kind of went ahead and hot comb my parting a little bit while the lace dried, and now I'm just gonna take my wax stick and lightly wax my separation. I'm doing like a no part look, so. Alright, so I've decided that I'm gonna do full baby hairs all around my hair, okay? So I'm gonna start off with right here. I'm just pulling out some here from like right. Just adding some plucking to it. This is my baby hairs. I am just gonna cut this like this. Alright guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and begin with my baby hair gel. And this is how it looks, of course. And I'm going to now go ahead and cut off any extra long pieces of lace there. I'm going to swoop right here first. My hand is cramping. Ooh, it's like, oh, my hand is cramping. that side. Now I'm going to go ahead and do this side. So this is the final baby hair. Alright, so now I finished my extreme baby hairs. I'm now just gonna put some, got to be all up on it. And then I'm gonna take my So Melted Melt Band. This is a brand new one. And I'm just gonna, hold on. I'm just gonna put that right over that baby hair. Oh, fuck. Oh my god, I could almost messed up my baby hairs. So I'm gonna let this dry for like 10 minutes, and once it finishes drying, I'll come back on the camera and show you guys the final look. So now that I'm finished, I'm gonna go ahead and take off my bands. Oh, bam. Baby hairs all around. Oh, my sideburn fucked up. So I brought the baby hairs around town. You know what I mean? So now that I'm finished, I'm gonna go ahead and do some small touches. I'm gonna take my Sleek Mist spray. I have like both of them right here. These are my old bottles, these are my new bottles. And I actually have some pink bottles, so those are my first bottles. I'm just gonna go ahead and spray out that hairline. And just, oh, I spray my hands. And then I'm going in and just touching out that front part. So look, I haven't put nothing in the curls. I'm gonna zoom out more so y'all can see everything, but let me go get my curls. All right, so I went for like a no part look because this is a 13x4. The party space was not that deep, so I said when it's not that deep, I like to go ahead and do no part looks. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and spray it up. I'm gonna go ahead and just use my Cantu Care for Kids detangling conditioner. This is for my baby, y'all. I hope you don't mind mommy using some. Better not be stingy with mommy. Mommy the one that bite for you? That mommy used? Stinky? Alright guys, so this is the final look, and this is just my no part crazy baby hairs everywhere look. I am loving it. I'm gonna stand up so I can show you guys how long the hair is. So just to come back a little bit, It is 30 inches, so it comes a bit like right at my waist. And if I put it all to the back, it's kind of like past my booty. I did my thing with the baby hairs. Alright, you guys, so I am wearing hair from Isee hair. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think about my over dramatic baby hairs. I know some people are gonna be like, oh, the wig is nice, but you ruined it with the baby hairs. Girl, the baby hairs made the wig. Like, what are you talking about? Look at this. Look at my sideburn that just fell. It's just, I'm a sucker for the baby hairs. Like, that's just me. Like, that's just how I am. And I'm gonna do that anyways, because that's just how I am. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching the tutorial. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think of the look. Make sure you guys check out Isee hair for some nice, bomb, affordable quality hair. Thank you guys so much for watching. Bye. Bye.